Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going to discuss Medicare. Whether you're approaching your 65th birthday, helping a parent or family member navigate their options, or just curious about how Medicare works, this video is for you. Medicare can be a game changer for managing healthcare costs in retirement, but it's not as simple as signing up for one plan and calling it a day. It's full of choices, complexities, and frankly, potential pitfalls. Our goal today is to break it all down into manageable pieces. So by the end of this video, you'll feel confident and informed about the best options for your healthcare needs. So let's get started by covering the basics. What is Medicare and how does it work? Medicare is a federal health insurance program, primarily for those aged 65 and older, but it's also available to younger individuals with certain disabilities. It's divided into parts, each covering specific healthcare needs. Think of it as a car with different components. Let's walk through those parts together. First, we have Part A, which covers inpatient hospital stays, skilled nursing care, some home health services, and hospice care. This is your safety net for major medical events, the big stuff. Then there's Part B, which focuses on your day-to-day health needs like doctor visits, outpatient care, and preventative services such as vaccines and screenings. If Part A is your crash protection, think of Part B as your routine maintenance. Now, what about prescriptions? That's where Part D comes in. Part D is optional, but it's essential for covering prescription drug costs, which can be significant. Did you know the average senior spends over $5,000 annually on prescriptions? That's why choosing the right Part D plan is so important. It can make a huge difference in your out-of-pocket costs. Before we jump back into the video, let us introduce you to the Annuity Expert, your trusted resource for financial guidance. At the Annuity Expert, we provide tools, insights, and expert advice to help you make confident financial decisions and achieve your goals. Our learning labs are designed to simplify complex topics like annuities, insurance, and retirement planning. With expert guides, personal finance tips, and product reviews, you'll find everything you need to build a stable and secure financial future. If you're looking to grow your savings, check out today's interest rates. You can shop and compare the latest rates to find the best opportunities for your financial needs. We also offer a suite of free financial calculators designed to help you plan smarter and achieve your goals. From retirement and investing to insurance, our tools cover a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're estimating retirement income, projecting savings growth, or evaluating insurance options, these calculators empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. For personalized advice, speak with our licensed financial professionals for free. Share your goals, concerns, and unique circumstances, and together we'll craft a plan tailored to your needs. Visit the Annuity Expert today and start taking steps toward the financial future you deserve. But wait, Medicare isn't one size fits all. This brings us to the big decision point. How do you want to receive your Medicare coverage? There are two main paths to choose from. The first is Original Medicare, which includes Parts A and B. You can also add Part D for prescription coverage if needed. Original Medicare gives you the flexibility to see any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare anywhere in the country. It's straightforward and flexible, but doesn't typically include extras like dental, vision, or hearing care. The second path is Medicare Advantage, also known as Part C. These plans are offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. They bundle Parts A and B, often include Part D, and may offer additional benefits like vision, dental, and even gym memberships. However, with these plans, you're usually limited to a network of doctors and hospitals. And while the premiums may be lower, copays or deductibles could be higher. So, how do you choose? It really comes down to your priorities. Do you value flexibility to see any doctor, or do you prefer the bundled benefits and potentially lower costs of Medicare Advantage? It's a personal decision, and no single choice fits everyone. If all of this sounds overwhelming, you're not alone. Medicare is complex, but you don't have to navigate it on your own. That's where the Annuity Expert can help. We've assisted countless individuals in understanding their Medicare options and choosing the plan that best fits their healthcare needs and budget. Whether it's comparing plans, explaining the fine print, or helping you weigh the pros and cons, we're here to make the process easier for you. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.